Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Cook with Sana Khuram. This is Sana. Today I'm going to show you how to make the crispy, juicy, flavorsome and appetizing chicken tenders. The tenders are said to be perfectly fried when the exterior crust is crispy but not hard, and the chicken should be moist and must be properly glued to the crust, and the crust should not have a hard shell-like texture. So this recipe will reveal the secret of acquiring such a texture and taste. Now come, let's get on to the recipe. For making chicken tenders, I have taken 500 grams of chicken tenderloins. Tenderloins are smaller muscles located in between the breast and the breastbone of the chicken. They are quite tender when compared to chicken breast. So for getting the perfect textured chicken tenders, this portion of the meat is usually recommended. Now we have to marinate these chicken tenders with some ingredients. So take a mixing bowl and add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, oregano 1 teaspoon, and this is Sriracha Hot Chilli sauce. I have taken 1 teaspoon and this gives a very good flavor, and I've taken 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and this will give very good flavor, a unique flavor to this dish. And beaten curd half a cup. This will tenderize the chicken. Salt 1 teaspoon. Now mix everything thoroughly. Mix very well. Now cover it and marinate in the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. More the marination, more the taste. Now after 2 hours of marination, let's go ahead with the breading process. For the breading process, take a wide dish and add 1 cup of Maida followed by half a cup of cornflour. Cornflour prevents the development of gluten in Maida, and hence we get crunchy chicken. And to this add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder prevents the crust from turning hard. Now to this add 3/4 teaspoon of salt followed by half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of smoked paprika and half a teaspoon of pepper powder and red chilli powder half a teaspoon. Mix all of them thoroughly and keep aside. Now let's start with the first coating before we fry them. Dredge the marinated chicken into the breading mixture thoroughly like this. Do it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. This will lock the moisture from the chicken so that the marination doesn't get removed during the second coating process. So do it this way. Now let's give an ice bath to the chicken. Dip the chicken into a bowl filled with ice cold water. Dip for 3 seconds and remove it, and gently shake the chicken to remove the excess liquid, and immediately dredge the chicken again in the flour mixture like the way I am doing, and do it for at least 2 minutes. Press with your fingers like this to ensure that the breading sticks well with the chicken. Gently shake it to remove the excess flour. As you keep dusting off the flour, you can spot some cracks in the breaded chicken, and this is going to give you a beautiful and crispy exterior once the chicken is fried. Repeat the same process with the rest of the pieces and keep them aside for frying. Now let's start frying. Take oil in a kadai, and once the oil gets heated, drop the pieces one by one and fry over a medium flame. If you fry over a high flame, the chicken will not get cooked well inside and the crust may get burnt. So do it over a medium flame. Now they are done, perfect golden brown color, and the texture of the crust is crispy, crunchy and not hard like a shell. You can see the chicken is too soft and succulent, and it's perfectly glued to the crust, and doesn't get detached from the crispy crust. Friends, these chicken tenders were absolutely aromatic and delicious to the core. Please try this out and write your valuable feedback to me in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please do it right away and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of my new uploads. Friends, please share this recipe with your family and friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Meet you all in my next upload. Till then, this is Sana signing off with lots of love.